The oldest member of the Mac portable family has finally been upgraded, and for a lot of Mac users out there, it's the laptop they've been waiting for. When Steve Jobs introduced the MacBook Air in 2008, it changed the laptop market completely. While the Air was expensive and underpowered for the time, it was the first of a new line of computers that we started to call ultrabooks, thin, light laptops that used SSD drives and sacrificed ports for a thinner frame. It's been a decade since then, so the new MacBook Air has been updated with features from the rest of the MacBook line. And by popular demand, the Retina display is finally here. It's the biggest change, adding Apple's high-resolution screen that's easier to read with even better color. It has a backlit butterfly keyboard and a larger Force Touch trackpad. It comes with Touch ID for both logging in and Apple Pay, and it can log you in automatically if you have an Apple Watch. It comes in 3 colors: silver, space gray, and gold. My first MacBook Air was quite limited, with just 4 GB of RAM and a slow processor, but this new model comes with Thunderbolt 3 and USB-C and can be built with up to 16 GB of RAM, 1.5 TB of SSD storage, and an Intel Core i5 processor. It's also the first MacBook Air to be made of 100% recycled aluminum. In 10 years, the MacBook Air has come a long way. We're glad to see it back.